Deficiency diseases. To stay healthy, our body demand to some special things in a limited quantity. Too much of anything causes, too much less and of things causes deficiency. Malnutrition is the condition that develops when the body does not get the right amount of nutrient in the diet. Disease caused by the lack of carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in a person's diet are called deficiency disease. Deficiency diseases can occur due to wrong food habits. For example, some children do not like green leafy vegetables or milk. Some like to eat fried food and no vegetables. Such children may suffer from deficiency diseases. These diseases can also occur due to poverty. Deficiency of carbohydrates. We get maximum energy from food items that are rich in carbohydrates. Lack of carbohydrates in food may cause first one weakness and less of stamina. Second, ill health. Third, laziness. And fourth, being underweight. The people who do not more physical work need more carbohydrate in their food. However, people who lead a sedentary lifestyle need less carbohydrate. Deficiency of proteins. We have learned that proteins are bodybuilding foods. Proteins are essential for muscles development and keep the skin healthy and promote growth. The lack of protein may cause the following disorders in addition to several other diseases: improper body growth, mental weakness, vulnerable to diseases. The lack of protein causes the disease kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor, this condition occurs due to severe protein deficiency. The disease mainly occurs in children below 5 years. The child that suffers from kwashiorkor shows the following symptoms: dark and scaly skin, protruding belly, legs swell due to accumulation of water, loss of appetite, mental weakness. Kwashiorkor disease can be corrected by giving a protein-rich diet to the child. Fats. Deficiency of fats. Fats produce more energy than carbohydrates. To stay healthy, we need to have some fats in our diet for our healthy body. Fats are required in very less quantity by our body. However, fats help certain vitamins to dissolve in the body. Now we will discuss about disease marasmus. Marasmus is a disease caused by lack of energy giving foods and bodybuilding foods. Energy giving foods, carbohydrates and fats, and bodybuilding foods, proteins. So it is a disease caused by a severe deficiency of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Marasmus is a serious disease which affects children below 5 years of age. A child suffering from marasmus shows the following symptoms: lean and thin body with sunken eyes, weak muscles, poor mental growth. A complete diet should be given to children suffering from marasmus. Means carbohydrates, proteins and fat should be given to the diet for the children. It's must. You can save your child by the diet. Thank you.